Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a hero grinder here. All right, in a grinder, we're going to do work every minute on the minute. So in this one, all right, we're going to do 5 burpees to start, and then 5 burpees every minute on the minute. I have a buzzer that's going to go off to let me know when that minute rolls around. Okay, in the meantime, after I do those 5 burpees, I have to get 250 tennis ball bounces done. Okay, so this could take you 2 or 3 minutes. All right, it could take you a half hour if you're not too swift with the stick. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to set the bar. All right, and you guys can try and whoop up on this and beat me. There's my 5, got my stick, 10. All right, I'm at 133, here we go. $50.